Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us for another in our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. And today, we're continuing our series on advanced search. Now, we're going to look at minimum matching words. You might have a string of words that you want to find, and in that string, maybe you just want to find a couple of them. So let's take a look at how you can do that. Let's tap on the little search icon. And once again, we're going to open the string, the search string, with a double quote. So I'm going to type love, joy, peace, long suffering. Now I'm going to close the quote. Then I'm going to put a / and the number 2. In other words, I'm looking for 2 out of the 4 of these words, minimum matching. So let's do a little search. And you can come here and you can see that I found peace and joy. And then we've got peace, and there would be another one, peace, love, peace. And if I open up the quote, you would see that it would have at least, love and peace. And if I click on to the next one, it has love and peace again. If I search again, I have love and joy this time. So it's got the minimum matching of the 2 words. And that's a common phrase that we've, searched for in scripture and other parts of Ellen White's writings. But if you just want to find 2 of the words in advanced search, that's the method that you can use. So that's a little brief, short tech tip on how to do minimum matching word searching in the EGW Writings 2 app. Thanks for joining us. Have a nice day. Bye for now.